Okay, so for today's Harley daily dose of fun, we're going to be pulling both of these cylinder heads off this old 73 Harley. It's giving me some issues where it's seeming like either a valve is sticking or something like that, so we'll pull this apart, see what we can find out. So let's see. Working through the top end build. Pistons don't look too bad. Seem like they're in okay shape. 30 over for both holes on this one. Just gonna move up and down pretty good. No real major issues on anything. So lower end I think is fine. Just gonna be doing the top end. Okay, heads are pulled. Don't look too bad. Definitely some carbon on some of the stuff and everything else, but I'm gonna go over everything, clean it all up. Then start pulling these valves out tomorrow, relap them, and then put them back in.